guys, so here's the subtracting mixed numbers. I decided to make it 2 separate videos so that you didn't have to watch the other one if you didn't need to. So for this problem, we're going to do 5 and 1/3. Oops, that's messy. Let me try it again. There we go. Minus 3 and 5/12. So we have to have our common denominator for 12 over here. So it's going to be 5 and 1/3. And we need to multiply both of these by 4. So it's going to be 5 and 4/12 minus 3 and 5/12. So on this one, we can't do 4 minus 5, so we need to regroup these. So over here, we need to go ahead and regroup this. And we're going to borrow from this 5 and make that a 4. And so that's going to be 4 and 12/12. And I chose 12 because I want to have a common denominator still with everything. And 4 and 12/12 still equals the whole number 5. So 4 and 12/12 equals the whole number 5. So that's kind of why we regroup that way. And now we can go ahead and add together 4 and 12/12 plus 4/12. So let's go ahead and do that down here. 4 and 16/12 because 12 plus 4 is 16 minus 3 and 5/12. So now I can go ahead and subtract all of this stuff. So I'm going to go 4 minus 3 is 1. And 16 minus 5 is going to be 11. And then I'm going to have my common denominator still of 12. So my answer is 1 and 11/12. So on the next page, if you want to go ahead and try this one, go ahead. So I'm going to give you this one to try. So 4 and 1/5, sorry, that's a 1, minus 1 and 1/3. So you're going to go ahead and solve this, hit pause, and check back for the answer. So go ahead and hit pause now and solve it. Okay, so our common denominator here is going to be 15. So this is going to become 4 and 1/5. So we're going to go times 3 times 3. So it's going to be 4 and 3/15 minus, and then 1 and 1/3. Over here we're going to go times 5 times 5. So it's going to be 1 and 5/15. So now we have 4 and 3/15 minus 1 and 5/15. So I can't do 3 minus 5, so I need to regroup this. So, okay, so I'm going to borrow from this 3, and I'm going to go 3 and 15/15. Because 3 and 15/15 still equals 4. And I chose 15 because 15 here and 15 here and 15 here gives me a common denominator for everything. So now I'm going to regroup and add all of this stuff together. So my whole number is still going to be 3. My 15 and my 3 is going to be 18. And then my denominator is still going to be 15. So I have 3 and 18/15 minus 1 and 5/15. And then I can solve this now. And so I can do 3 minus 1 is 2. And 18 minus 5 is going to be 13. And then I'm going to keep my common denominator for 15. So 2 and 13/15 is going to be my final answer for this one. All right, thanks, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions.